Okay, quiet on the set.
Take 27. Marker.
Action.
Well, I see you got them snakes and sparklers, but where's the good stuff, man?
Good stuff. This is the good stuff. Snakes and sparklers.
Are you nuts, dude? You need stuff to explode, go boom!
Why is that?
So you're gonna tell me that you don't have no black cats, no Roman candles, or screaming mimes?
No.
Oh, come on, man. You don't got no lady fingers, buzz buttles, snicker bombs, church burners, finger blasters, gut busters, zippity doo-dahs, crap flappers?
No, I don't.
You're gonna stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have no whistling bunghole, no spleen splitters, whisker biscuits, honky lighters, hoosker doos, booster don'ts, cherry bombs, nips and dasers, with or without the scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser?
No. Because snakes and sparklers are the only ones I like.
Well, that might be a problem. It's not what you like, it's the consumer.
You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em why you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above, from the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans wide with foam. God bless America, my home. gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
We know that we will get through this, and we will get through this together. Say it with me, because it's true. We will get through this. We will get through this together. One last time. We will get through this. We will get through this together. We will get through this. We will get through this together. We will get through this. We will get through this together. One last time. We will get through this. We will get through this together. And we're going to get through this together because we've already shown that we have what it takes. And as long as we stay strong, and as long as we stay resilient, as long as we continue to be good neighbors and are committed to passing this test of humanity, that we can protect one another, and we can write our chapter in the history books.
Now back to the show.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
It's called a salute to all nations, but mostly America.
Great.
Come on, Ray.
You know, I wish y'all would come along and help me sing this thing. It's all right.